Alright, sorry for the exposure there, but if you guys are interested in keeping your exhaust tips not this dirty and you want to make it look like that, I got one quick secret for you. And that is Adam's wheel cleaner. Shockingly, this works. I didn't figure this would work, but it's very easy to do. Sorry for the audio. I'm just recording with my phone, no external mic. So grab your wheel cleaner. I'm sure this would work with any iron removal agent wheel cleaner, but spray it on there. Oops, I'm not even getting that. Spray it on the wheel. Let it sit for a few seconds. Look at that. Again, sorry for this shaky video and crappy quality. It's iPhone video. Oh my gosh, it keeps getting out of focus. Okay. I'm using a waterless wash towel from Adams. This is their blue one. So just take it and caress the tip. Bada bing! Now obviously you gotta go back over this and get all the residue off. I need to record with my right hand. There you go. Just take your towel, a drier side, not a wet side, so you don't want to reapply any product. Just take your towel, wipe off any residue. All that came off the tip. Look at that, guys. It's not perfect. I mean, if you want to polish the tip, then obviously you can break out your metal polish and go to town, but this removes majority of your dirt and material that may be stuck on. Bam, son. Oh God! Just a quick tip. See you guys on the next one.